Onet, a revolutionary social networking platform, helps you connect with your friends and family and discover new ones. Know more about Onet. Onet is perhaps the most excellent social media platform. Onet encourages you to connect with communities of individuals who share your interests. Onet helps you connect with your friends and family and discover new ones as simple with highlights like groups, watch, and marketplace. You can utilize it to send images, texts, audio, and video content to another user individually or in groups. Onet has reliably evolved with advanced AI technology to fit its users' requirements and attract new ones. Onet likewise offers focused and targeted advertising opportunities for individuals who want to increase visibility to explicit consumers. Businesses can also utilize Onet to send personal messages to customers. You can find friends in multiple ways, including search engines to search for a particular individual and a lot more. With Onet you can browse and join networks coordinated and organized into 4 categories: regions, workplaces, colleges, and high schools. Onet also effectively promotes businesses, making it a safe thing to have a presence on social media. Key features of Onet. Onet has reliably evolved with advanced AI technology to fit its users' requirements and attract new ones. Meaningful discussions and high-quality content sharing. Reactions. Messages and inbox. Notifications and groups. Events and marketplace. News feed and timeline. Keep in touch for more updates on Onet. A Bill Must production.